Yo ninjas, I'm Kaio. Let's learn how to do 10 different footworks for beginners. If you are a b-boy already, feel free to send this video to someone that wanna start with b-boying, with breaking. If you are new to this discipline, you can start with this video. I'm gonna leave in the description some detailed tutorials about these moves that I'm gonna teach now and about some other moves that you could learn to start. All these moves that I'm gonna teach are pretty easy. They don't need any requirement. You can start with that. You don't have to be flexible, you don't have to be strong. Build up speed in these moves with time and try to connect them as much as possible. If you can connect all these steps, you can already build some small footwork sets. you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. If you will need more help for your power moves, your breaking in general, check out my Patreon, link in the description. See you next time with a new tutorial or a new reaction video. Yo ninjas!